Past the flat in Baton Rouge, waiting for a train. I was feeding is my dream. By the time to diesel down, just before the rain, it rode us all the way to New Orleans. I pulled my harpoon out my dirty red bandana. I was playing soft while Bobby sang the blues. When she walked first left in time, I was holding Bobby's hand in mine, whistling Arizona driving blue, whispering there's not a word for nothing left to lose. Nothing, I mean half incarnate and free, yeah. Feeling good was easy, Lord, when he sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me, good enough for me and my Bobby McGee. From the Kentucky coal mine to the California sun, as Bobby shared the secrets of my soul. Through all kinds of weather, through everything we've done, Bobby back kept me from the cold. One day up in Selena's lawn, I let him sleep away, looking for that home, and I hope he finds it. But I trade up all tomorrow for my single yesterday, beholding Bobby's body next to mine. Freedom's just another word for nothing left to lose. Nothing, I mean nothing, how to eat and breathe, yeah. Feeling good was easy, Lord, when he sang the blues. Feeling good was good enough for me, good enough for me and my Bobby McGee. Da da da.